Are you ready to take control of your career and start freelancing? Whether you're looking for extra income or a flexible way to work, freelancing can open doors to incredible opportunities. Imagine this, you working from anywhere in the world, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. That's the beauty of freelancing. In today's video, I'll show you how to kickstart your freelancing journey, step by step, so you can ditch the 9-to-5 and start building the life you've always wanted. Freelancing is all about being your own boss. Instead of working for someone else, you're offering your skills directly to clients, often on a project-by-project basis. Think of it like being a one-person business. You could be designing websites, writing blog posts, managing social media accounts, developing software, or even offering consulting services. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And the best part? You get to choose what projects you want to work on, who you want to work with, and when and where you want to work. It's all about having the freedom and flexibility to design your ideal work-life balance. The first step to launching your freelance career is figuring out what you're really good at. What skills do you have that people would actually pay for? Maybe you're a killer writer, a graphic design whiz, a coding ninja, or a social media guru. The key is to focus on skills that are in demand. These are the ones that will make you the most money. Think about your passions and interests too. When you enjoy what you do, it doesn't even feel like work. Plus, your passion will shine through in the quality of your work, attracting even more clients. Now that you know what you're good at, it's time to show it off. And that's where your portfolio comes in. Your portfolio is like your online resume, showcasing your best work and proving to potential clients that you've got the skills to deliver. If you're just starting out and don't have any paid client work yet, don't worry. Create some sample projects that highlight your expertise. For example, if you're a writer, you could write some blog posts on topics you're passionate about. If you're a designer, create some mock-ups for fictional brands. You can even offer your services to friends or local businesses at a discounted rate, or even for free, to get some real-world experience and build up your portfolio. Chapter 4. Find your freelancing home. With your portfolio ready to go, it's time to find some clients. Luckily, there are tons of online platforms that connect freelancers with potential clients, making it easier than ever to find work. Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start, especially if you're new to freelancing. They have a huge variety of projects, so you're sure to find something that fits your skills. If you're a bit more experienced and have a strong portfolio, you might want to check out platforms like TopTal, which focuses on high-quality freelancers in fields like software development and finance. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your skills, experience level, and the types of projects you're interested in. Chapter 5. Set your rates and land those clients. Now for the big question, how much should you charge? Setting your rates can feel intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. Start by researching what other freelancers in your niche are charging. Check out their profiles on freelancing platforms, browse industry forums, or simply ask around. Remember, you're running a business, so you need to make sure you're charging enough to cover your expenses and make a profit. When you're just starting out, you might want to consider offering slightly lower rates to attract clients and build up your portfolio. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Chapter 6. Deliver amazing work and get paid. You've landed your first client, congratulations. Now it's time to wow them with your skills. Remember, quality is everything in the freelance world. Deliver work that exceeds your clients' expectations, meet your deadlines, and be responsive to their feedback. Happy clients are more likely to hire you again for future projects and recommend you to their network, which means more money in your pocket. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial for long-term success as a freelancer, so be professional, communicate clearly, and always go the extra mile. Outro your freelancing journey starts now. Freelancing can be a total game changer, giving you the freedom, flexibility, and control over your career that you've always dreamed of. Remember, success won't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Start small, stay consistent, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities to grow your skills and expand your client base. So, what are you waiting for? The world of freelancing is waiting for you. Take the leap and start building the career and life of your dreams.